Good morning, students. In my last video, we have read the poem Bird Talk. Beta, have you read the poem at home? I have already told you that reading is must, beta. Okay? Well, today we are going to do the exercise of the poem. At first, we will find out the answers of the question. Okay? Let's read the first question. The first question is, name the two birds in the poem. Poem में दोनों पक्षियों के नाम बताओ. Very easy beta. If you have read the poem, you will know the answer. अगर आपने पोएम पढ़ी है तो आप इसका आंसर जरूर जानते होंगे, है ना? Tell me the answer. Yes, the answer is Robin and Jay. What would be the answer? The answer of the question is the two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. Okay? Let's see the next. The next question is, what are the three things that people can't do? तीन ऐसी चीजें बताइए जो लोग नहीं कर सकते, है ना? बेटा, we can see the answer of this question in third stanza. This is the third stanza and the answer of the question is, people can't eat beetles. They can't grow wings and they don't sit on wires. Okay beta, these are the three things that people can't do. Okay, now the last question is, what do birds think of people? पक्षी जो हैं लोगों के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? Okay, so let's see the answer. The answer is in the last two lines. And the answer is, birds think that people are funny. Birds think that people are funny. Okay? So let's see on the next page, page number 13. Let's write. Okay? Question is, listen to the sounds of the birds. Make a list of these words. Okay? यहाँ पर बेटा आपको क्या करना है? For example, chirp, chirp, chirp. आपको एक ऐसी ही लिस्ट बनानी है, जैसे चिड़िया चर्प 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 करती है, ऐसे ही किसी अन्य पक्षी की साउंड आपको यहाँ लिखनी है. For example, a cuckoo bird sound is cuckoo, cuckoo. Okay? And the sound of papiha is pihu, pihu. Okay, beta? Now, write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. Okay? Beta, here you have to write 4 sentences. Okay? And the words are given here and you have to use these words in your sentence. आपको यहाँ पर 4 वाक्य लिखने हैं और उन वाक्यों में ये जो ऊपर दिए हुए शब्द हैं इनको ऐड करना है. For example, birds live in nest. Nest is here. Okay. Second is birds fly in the sky. Fly and sky. And the third is as dog is to bark, birds is to chirp. Chirp is used here. And the last sentence is birds have wings to fly. Wings is used here. Okay beta. Now turn the page. Write words that rhyme with the words given below. Okay beta, words are given here and you have to write the words that rhyme with the words given here. ओके बेटा, आपको राइमिंग वर्ड्स लिखने हैं, सेम साउंड वाले वर्ड. ओके, लुक हियर. ग्रो, नो, थ्रो. बेटा साउंड्स आर सेम हियर, है ना? गुड. नाउ डे. डे, बे, से. थिंक, pink, sink. Funny, bunny, sunny. Eat, beat, seat. Sing, king, ring. ओके बेटा, ये सेम साउंडिंग्स वाले वर्ड हैं, आपको यहाँ पर सेम साउंड वाले वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. You can write another words, same sounding words as king, ring, wing, eat, beat, seat, keep, think, pink, sink, link. Okay. Now the poem is finished, beta. Now I am telling you how to do the work in notebook. Okay, let's see. Beta, on page number 10 you will write unit 2. Okay, then poem, name of the poem, bird, talk, and then you will draw the pic of 2 birds. Okay beta, and remember to color it. Okay, this is Robin and Jay. Okay, now on page number 11 you will write the new words and their meanings. Okay, and the new words are beetles. Beetles means insects. Sitting. Sitting means seated. Wires. Wires means cables. Now the next is funny. Funny means comic or comical. Okay. Now the fifth is think. Think means to imagine. Grow. Grow means to increase, बढ़ना. Feathers means wings, means पंख. Insects, बैठना. Sorry, insects means कीड़े मकोड़े. Seated means बैठना. Cables means तारे. Comicals means full of fun, means मजाकिया. To imagine means सोचना. Grow means to increase, बढ़ना. Wings means पंख. Okay. Now in next line you will write question and answer, and the first question is name the 2 birds in the poem, and the answer is the 2 birds in the poem are Robin and J. Beta, J written is in here is in the cursive form. ये कर्सिव हैंडराइटिंग में J को इसी तरह से लिखा जाता है. So don't confuse. Okay. Leave the next line. And the question number 2 is, what are the 3 things that people can't do? And the answer is, people can't grow wings, they can't eat beetles, and they don't sit on wires. Okay? Leave the next line blank. Now the question number 3 is, what do birds think of people? And the answer is, birds think that people are funny. Okay? Students, that's all for the day. Complete your notebook with beautiful handwriting. Okay? Well, goodbye everyone.